Channel your inner James Dean with the Filmore jacket. This heavier weight jacket is built for comfort and practicality. Drum dye naked black cowhide. It offers a snug fit when you size down with an asymmetrical zipper, snap down lapel collar, and multiple zippered pockets. It's both stylish and functional. Enjoy the convenience of 2 concealed carry pockets, a removable belt, zippered sleeves, and action back. Plus, its insulated zip-out thermal liner and underarm grommets ensure you stay comfortable on every ride. The Filmore jacket is classic style, unmatched comfort, and ready for any adventure.